Okay, grade 8. Let us look at this problem. Geometry of straight lines 2.3. Determine with a reason the value of z, right? So our value of z in the figure below. So you see this figure. So they don't tell us much. You need to observe this figure and then know which theorem is applicable here, right? So I always say that when two straight lines cross, right, straight lines, no curve, nothing, two straight lines, A is equal to B, they are vertically opposite to each other. Then C is equal to D again, they are vertically opposite. Y1. So as you can see here, the given angles, I always advise learners to circle these two given angles. Y1. So these two given angles, you can see this one is vertically opposite as long as these two lines intersect. Two lines intersect, then these two vertically opposite angles, they are what? They are equal. Now we're gonna write a statement that reflects exactly that. So statement and then reason, right? So we're gonna provide a statement and a reason, and our statement will just reflect exactly what I said. This angle is equal to that one, right? I'm gonna write exactly that in algebraic form. So I'm gonna say 2z minus 10 degrees is equal to 58 degrees. Vertically opposite angles, they are equal. So I'm gonna write a reason. Vertical, don't have to finish the word vertical, opposite angles. They know that they are what? They are equal. And your statement reflects exactly that vertical opposite angles, they are what? They are equal. So learners fail to write this algebraically. They know that these two angles, they are equal, but writing it algebraically is a problem. I don't understand why. This angle, which is 2z minus 10 degrees, is equal to 58 degrees, right? And we write exactly that. Why? So what is left now? We need to simplify this. Now we're back to what? Algebra, right? Here, variables to the left, numbers to the right. So 2z has a variable in it, so is equal to, we have 58 degrees on the right. We need to transpose negative 10, or 10 is negative going to the right. It's going to change the sign. Remember, it's jumping the equal sign. I always tell learners to think of it as a border. You jump a border, you go to another world, you become a new person. You adapt to the language and everything, the culture, so you become a new person. In the context of mathematics, when a number jumps an equal sign, goes to the other side, when it is negative, it changes the sign. So can you see the parallel there? So this 10 is negative, it's going to be positive 10 degrees. That is what you do on your next step, right? So what I'll do next, I'll clean up the right hand side. So 2z is equal to, what is 58 plus 10? It is 68 degrees. Don't forget your units. So now I have 2z is equal to 68 degrees. Am I looking for 2z? No. I'm looking for z only. So divided by the coefficient, as we already said. So the coefficient of z is 2, so I divide by 2. But don't forget, whatever you do to the left must be done also to the right, so that our equation keeps on balancing, right? So this 2 will cancel this 2, then z is equal to, what is 68 divided by 2 is 84 degrees. So our z is equal to 34 degrees. Now I want to specify something before we move on to the next problem. Sometimes they will ask you, therefore find this angle here. Okay, grade 8. You already found your z is 34 degrees. To find the value of this angle, remember this is written algebraically, unlike this angle. It is written algebraically. So to find this angle, you take this 34, you put it there. So you need to say now 2 into 34 degrees, right, minus 10 degrees, right? Then you find your value using now your calculator. So there are questions like that, a follow-up questions. Once you find the value of z, then now find the actual value of this angle. I know this one is equal to that one, so we get 58 here, but there are questions of this nature, right? So I'll see you on the next question, exam type question. Okay.